Hello everybody, my name is Jack Caravanos, and I want to talk to you today about lead-acid batteries. Every motor vehicle, whether a truck, automobile, bus, motorbike, has a lead-acid battery. For autos, the battery can contain up to 10 kilograms or about 22 pounds of lead. Since the going price for lead is about $1 per pound, this equates to a lot of money, and the desire to recycle it is very high. For many people living in low and moderate income countries, a used lead-acid battery equates to sustenance. What I'm about to show you is going on worldwide in villages, backyards, small informal facilities, and dump sites. This site is a typical municipal garbage dump. It's surrounded by a community of scavengers, people who rummage through the trash looking for any recyclable material. It's also the site of some dangerous battery breaking. You can see the numerous gray lead plate separators as well as battery casings. Where there's empty battery cases, you probably find a burn site. There appears to be several in this particular area. Let's take a look at one. The small gray rocks are actually lead slag. They're very heavy and have between 5 and 50% lead in them. However, this is lead oxide and does not melt and was just left there. A more sophisticated operation would have converted this lead to metallic lead using charcoal. Lead oxide, by the way, is very toxic and readily absorbable. The melting operation often leaves metallic lead behind. There should be some here if we dig into it. And here it is, pure metallic lead from battery recycling. This is what they're trying to collect, and they'll sell it to the marketplace and recover. There should be more here. Again, all that gray stone is actually lead. Entire families live in these communities, and children both play and work here. The exposure to contaminated lead, soil, and dust is very high, and I suspect there's extensive lead poisoning here. This goat was drinking water from an empty lead battery casing. Livestock can accumulate lead and expose families to their milk. So whether it's Mexico, Ghana, Indonesia, the Dominican Republic, or Senegal, exposure to lead, soil, and dust from improper battery recycling practices is epidemic. But fortunately, it is completely preventable. Thanks for listening.